हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया। मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते। तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राइब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा। महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड 5th स्टँडर्ड EVS पार्ट 2 चॅप्टर नंबर 7 फ्रॉम शेल्टर्स टू विलेज सेटलमेंट्स टूल्स। तर बघा, त्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन 1 आहे, आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स इन वन सेंटेन्स। ए, विच ॲनिमल डिड होमो सॅपियन्स मेनली हंट? तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे द होमो सॅपियन्स मेनली हंटेड स्मॉल ॲनिमल्स लाईक द वाइल्ड बियर, डियर, माउंटेन गोट अँड शीप। पुढे आहे बी, व्हॉट इज कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द न्यू स्टोन एज? आन्सर द बिगिनिंग ऑफ कल्टिवेशन इज अ कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द न्यू स्टोन एज कल्चर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आहे, गिव्ह रिझन्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग। ए आहे त्यामध्ये द डाएट ऑफ होमो सॅपियन्स अंडरवेंट अ चेंज। आन्सर द क्लायमेट अंडरवेंट चेंज अँड बिकम वॉर्मर, बिग ॲनिमल्स लाईक मॅमल्स वेअर ऑन द वे टू एक्सटिंक्शन्स, therefore the diet of the homo sapiens underwent a change. B, homo sapiens needed to stay in one place over longer period of time. Answer, it was no longer necessary to wander from place to place in search of food. They moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes in climate. Thus the homo sapiens stayed in one place over a longer period of time. Now see the picture here. Observe the reconstructed picture of a middle stone age seasonal camp and answer the following. So observe this picture and related to this picture they are asking us some questions on it. A, describe the structure of the houses in the picture. Answer is the roof is inclining and is of thatched grass. B, what materials are used to construct the houses? Answer, grass and wood have been used to construct the houses. C, what kind of jobs could the people in the seasonal camps have been doing? Answer, the people at the seasonal camp were engaged in fishing, agriculture, hunting and making small boats. Fourth, write about the effects on your life of the seasonal changes in weather. So answer आहे त्याचं, the seasonal changes in weather result in changes in my clothing. I wear warm clothes during winter and light cotton clothes in summer. The seasonal changes in climate make me sick sometimes and I am forced to take medicines. I cannot go out and play games with my friends in rainy season. Our question number 5th is, compare the new stone age village with a modern village. So let's see the answer. New stone age village and modern village. First point, new stone age village was primitive as it was an early village statement. Modern village is much developed as it underwent many changes over a period of time. New stone age village was in remote areas and had no contact with the outside world. Modern villages are well connected with the outside world with the means of transport and communication. Human being lived in huts. Human being lived in constructed houses. Fourth, agricultural, animal husbandry and fishing were the main activities of the villagers. Besides agriculture, animal husbandry and fishing, many other activities are undertaken by the villagers with the help of machines. तर अशा प्रकारे इथे आपला चॅप्टर नंबर 7 सुद्धा याची क्वेश्चन आन्सर सुद्धा संपलेली आहेत। तर पुढच्याही चॅप्टरचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर चॅनलवर लवकरच अपलोड होतील। तोपर्यंत चॅनलवरील नवनवीन व्हिडिओज बघत चला आणि चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा। थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स, कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया।